In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the Pentool feature in FILMORA15. Let's start! First, create a project, then look for this icon with shapes on it. And you'll see several options. Select the pen tool. Now, let's head over to your project window. As you can see, you can draw directly over your project. For this example, let's trace around this gift. Also, you can still move your lines around even after you've placed them. Once you're done drawing, right-click and choose Stop. As you can see, it's just a simple thin gray line. Don't worry, we can change that. Click on the pen path layer in your timeline. Then a new window will pop up with options to customize the line you just drew. Here, you can change things like the line's color, blur, and even fill it in if you want. Or you can leave it as just an outline for now. Under Effects, you'll see different presets. For example, you can keep a simple solid color outline or add a fun neon-like lightning effect. You can also adjust things like the color, weight, blur, and intensity of the stroke. Scroll down and you'll see Trim Path. If I adjust the start or end sliders to 100%, the lines will disappear. You can actually use this to animate the lines. Here's how to do it. Set the start to 100%, then click on the little diamond icon. It's a keyframe. A small diamond is going to show up in your pen path layer in the timeline. Then move the playhead a little further along the timeline. Then add another keyframe. This time, set the start to 0%. Let's see the result. But the trim path isn't the only thing you can animate with keyframes. You can also animate things like light intensity. Add a keyframe, then set it to something low like 0.23%. Then again, move the playhead a little further along the timeline, then add another keyframe and set it to the highest you can. You can see the outline's got these sparkly dots now, and they shine a lot brighter. You can even get this flickering effect by setting the light intensity to 0% and 5% over and over again. Let's see the result. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.